Hello everyone, and again welcome to Postnetwork Academy. I am Bindeshwar, and today we are going to explore an important concept in statistics. This is the deciles. Deciles help us understand how data is distributed across a range by dividing it into 10 equal parts. But before we dive in, I would like to remind you that you can connect with Postnetwork Academy across various platforms to stay updated on all our educational content. You can visit our website at www.postnetwork.co, check out our YouTube channel, and follow us on Facebook and LinkedIn for more updates. All these links are here to help you stay engaged with our learning community. Now let's get started with our main topic. Here is an example dataset that we will use to compute deciles. So here is an example. Now let us write it into frequency table. So we have observations and their corresponding frequencies. So if you add all frequencies, you will get 50. So to compute deciles, we will require a cumulative frequency column. So that is the third column, and first element you will write as it is, that means first frequency. Thereafter you will add second frequency to first and you will write it. You will add second to third and you will write in the third one, and you will get all cumulative frequencies. That means accumulation of the frequencies. Let us calculate D3, that means third deciles. Basically there are 9 deciles. So I am going to calculate 2 important deciles, or you can say that frequently used. You can compute either one, just changing little bit. So I am going to compute D3 and D7, that means third decile and seventh decile. So let us calculate third decile. So we will calculate 3n upon 10 and it is 15. So cumulative frequency just greater than 15 is 26, and the corresponding value of the variable is 61. So third decile is 61. Now compute D7 or seventh decile. So the same way you will compute here 7 upon 10, and that is 35, and cumulative frequency just greater than 35 is 41, and the corresponding value of variable is 64. So seventh decile is 64. In summary, deciles allow us to understand how data is spread across a range. By dividing data into 10 equal parts, we can pinpoint where specific percentages of data fall, which is especially useful for analyzing distribution in large data sets. And thank you for watching this breakdown of deciles. I hope this example made it easier to understand how to calculate them. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave any questions in the comment below. So thanks for watching the video.